Number 9.
Camera na.
For 3. EJ rebound. EJ bringing the ball. EJ sizing up. Screen. Bring it to Eric. Eric. Alex. Pass it to Pay. Pay. Pass it to number 7. Eric, back to the basket, shoot the ball. No good. Rebound by number 94. Pass it to number 9.
Kami dapat may rebound na si Japon. Hindi naman daw may rebound yun.
Ay, number 35 yun. Ay, si ano yun,
Corey?
si Cortez pala yun.
Okay.
Wala yun.
I'm out, right?
Time out. White.
I'm out! Wala na to first one.
Shout out to Clear Amor. He just got
Sila mga.
94 bringing the ball pass to number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 96. Pass to number 7. Number 7.
9-7!
Basket. That's 3-4.
Eric. 3 points.
Corey. Bringing the ball back to number 33. 23. No good. Rebound by number 35. No, still by number 10. Pass it to Alex. Alex. Bringing the ball. Pass it to number 26. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass it to number 24. Three minutes of first quarter. 9-10. Favor of
Ay, sila lamang.
White. Left. White.
Favor of White. Speed. Rebound by number 26. 26. Pass to number 7. Number 7 goes over. Touching the basket, passing to number 96. No good. Rebound by they're bad. Pass it to Yuri. Yuri shooting. No good. Rebound by Wally. Pass it to number 7.
Hindi, sakto ka. Madulas pa yun. Bago pa kasi.
2 minutes. 3 seconds violation. Time out. No.
Time out!
Time out, black team. They call for it. No time out. Time out, of course, for back to the ball game.
Sila lamang.
White.
Score 9-10 favor of white team. Number 9 bringing the ball, attacking the basket, attacking the basket, foul. Foul by number 7. Number 9 looking for the pass, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 9. Pass number 23, pass to number 24 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 7. Number 7.
Kuya Ray. Good yan.
Hindi ko alam yung nakikita dito. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Basket. Assist by number 94.
Hindi ko makita.
May nakatrust na ba sa kanila?
EJ, bring the ball. Number 26. Number 26. Pass it to number 10. Number 10.
Siguro?
Backcourt violation.
Ay, Christian.
Number 9, bringing the ball. Looking for the pass. Pass to number 35. Back to 11. No good. Rebound by number 26. 26, bringing the ball. Last 18 seconds. Blocked by number 96. Last 10 seconds. Ooh, still by number 23. 3, 2, 1. Oh, good. End of first quarter.
Dalawa.
You guys missing two, right? Yeah. So sino?
Who's gonna stay?
Ilan siyempre?
Z and number 35 stay in the court.
Paano ko makikita to Kuya Ray? Blanco lang siya. Oh.
Let's go.
White ball. Back to the ball game. Number 7, bringing the ball back to number 7. Number 69, bringing the ball, guarded by number 23. Ooh, pass to number 7.
Hey, Raymond, we didn't get to pick. Why is 7 back on? No, we didn't get to pick.
Okay, yeah.
You should
Let me know. Who do you want?
Who's your captain? You should guys tell me.
10, right? Ring.
Foul, today.
Wala na
Hey, you gave
Wala
them
na,
off.
nag-start na eh.
They gave them off.
Number 10.
Black 2-3 foul.
Black, number 23 foul. The fourth. Pass it to number 25. Pass it to Butterfield. Pass it to number 10. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 77. Bringing the ball. Pass it to number 23. Bring it back to number 77.
Attack, Chris.
Ooh. There you go. Ooh. Still by number 6. Number 25. Bringing the ball. Pass it to number 69. Pass number 10. Foul.
Who's foul?
Ay, no, wala
Who's
na.
foul?
Sumigaw lang, eh.
Number 4. John.
Sumigaw lang eh.
Sumigaw lang pala yun eh. Number 10. Kabado.
Pag pipinutin lang pag ganon.
Kung ano ka lang. Gusto mo lang makita.
Dapat meron yan mamaya ha.
Oo nga eh. Try ko nga eh.
Highlights of the game.
Okay. Pass to number 4. Number 4 bringing the ball. Pass it to number 35. 35 bringing the 94. 94 attacking the basket. Good. Basket for number 94. Number 69 bringing the ball. Pass it to number 10. Fake for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. No rebound.
Grab it! Hey, grab it!
He tapped it. Outside.
Kaya nga, grab it. Ito tinip niya pa, liliit ang camping niya.
Bading.
Bading!
Number 94 bringing the ball. Pass it to nobody.
Another bading!
Run the point.
Putang ina.
Point under UP. Number 6 bringing the ball back to number 69. Number 69 sizing up. Steal by number 23. Ewan!
Alam mo, namatay yung... Naggago eh, ginago ko eh.
Sayang.
Ano na para makapag-mic ka? Hindi nakuha. Ito ko ano man.
Sayang, hindi nakuha. Ulit, isa pa! Isa pa! Violation! Pwede Force, lapit ka pa sa tres. Sa half-court ka, sa half-court. Masyado malapit yan. Yes,
Forms, singi ka bola, Forms!
Bringing the ball. Back to number 6.
Ja Pepe.
We're not doing that here. Time. 7 minutes and 20 seconds of second quarter. 16-18. All 16.
Pero apat na meron mo tayong molo lang. No? Kasi nung ano na na. Wala.
60 minutes and 45 seconds. Score all 16. Pass to number 4 for 3. Rebound to number 4. Shoot number 10. Number 69.
Grabe naman yung uncle ko.
Grabe, baby!
Dalawang steal na si Guy Force ah.
Dalawang steal? Grabe.
Number 25.
Tinima ko na nga eh.
Score stopper. Ooh. Pass to number 6.
Huwag nyo kasi ginugulat. Makakahawak pala ng bola eh. Walis pa tuloy.
Sige, okay. Trash talkin nyo yung mga ano. Para entertainment.
Using the ball. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 10. Foul number 23. That's his second personal foul.
Ina, ang bilis nun ah.
Tumitila ng Pep.
Bago daw kasi yung sapatos niya, hindi daw siya makashoot.
Oh shit, di ko napansin na.
Kay JB.
First foul.
Naandun! Kuha na! May puto.
Second foul.
Di ko na nilagay.
Makakarami ko lang.
Basket yun.
May pitras ka ba? Tangin nyo, may tres pala to, di kayo nagsabi.
Sinabi ko, di ba?
Hanapin ko.
Ito yung nagsabi ng tanong ko kanina, dinilagay ka.
JB.
Third personal foul.
18? O 19? 18 lang sila?
Warning. Warning for penalty.
Tatlo 3 points, tapos ano?
Number 25.
Anim na assist ka na.
Ooh. No good. Pass number 25.
Butter.
Number 23, bringing the ball.
Umalis ka daw dyan.
Over, take over.
They said give it. Pass to number 77. 77.
Ano paso, libre-libre.
4 minutes. Rebound number 4. Ooh. Foul by number 10. Blocking foul.
First team.
Number 35. Bringing the ball passes to number 4. Bringing back to 35. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 6. Number 6 for 3. No good. Foul by number 69.
Second team foul.
Bang, bang.
Time out kami, time out.
Timeout now. Later. Pass it to number 35. No good. Rebound by 25. 25 bring the ball. Pass it to number 10. Number 10 for 3. No good.
Sa uniforms!
Birthday mo na, 5 yan.
Saksak!
Ooh. Rebound by number 35.
Grabe yun.
Timeout, white team.
Sorry na, sorry na.
Nagagalit.
Okay. Wala mo sila isa? Ano na balikan? Wow, accent!
Penalty! Sino foul? Magkano na pala dito?
23. 4 personal foul. Number 23.
Graduate na yan!
Penalty.
Raymond? Papaano kayo na? Papasabang, ay pakita mo kay Marlon ha.
Ay, maganda laban yan. Joshua Marlon.
Pakita mo yung daga mo.
Second set.
Wala ka kasi boy. Wala ka kasi boy. Wala ka kasi boy.
Hindi pinapabayaan, di ba?
Grabe.
Ito eh, no? Hindi, veterano, may depensa pa.
No good. Rebound by number 6.
Meeting kasama.
35 bring the ball. The 35 pass number 4. The 4 is going to pass by number 7. Ooh.
na, paulin nyo na. Wala pa, wala pa.
Wala kang shooting foul!
Sorry, bro.
Mali.
Rebound by number 96. Transition number 7. Number 7. Number 7, attack on the basket. Fade away. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 passes to number 11. Passes to number 9. Number 9.
Kaya ni kay Eric yun, laki ng nakataan kay Eric.
Number 77. Black ball. Score, all 25. 10 minutes and 37 seconds. Third quarter.
Ano pa nakaka-score?
Number 9 for 3, Matthew. Number 7, passes to number 24. 24 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 23. 23 bringing the ball. Passes to number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Ooh, offensive foul. Number 11, offensive foul. Number 7. 23. No good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. Passes to number 26. Passes to number 96. Ooh. No basket. Foul 23 good. White ball. Number 26.
Nice pass!
Ooh. Assist by number 24. Assist by number 26. Number 9, bringing the ball. Passes to number 11. Number 11, attacking the basket. Ooh, looking for the basket. Number 11. Score, 30-57. Favor of that team.
Pag natalo kayo mamaya.
Number 7. Number 7.
Natalo kayo?
Passes number 25. Basket. Assist by number 7.
Ha?
Shout out to Tom.
Extra game nga pag natalo kayo.
Number 9.
May extra game.
7-7.
Maibig naman eh.
Pwede shooter talaga yun. Trace.
Number 7 bringing the ball. Number 7 attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by number 6. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 bringing the ball. Number 9. Pass to number 11. No good. Rebound by number 25. Passes to number 7. Number 7 attacking the basket. Number 7. Ooh, foul. Foul number 4.
Grabe, nandito pala.
Number 4, foul.
Wow, tol. 30. Next na tayo. Ano sa kana? Oo, 30. 7 minutes pa naman.
First 13 foul.
Hindi ko alam.
Bilisan mo, tangan na mo.
Score 31-30. Favor of black team. 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Dikit lang. Hindi ko alam kasi lamang.
Lamang yun na.
Lamang yung 33 pre.
2 points lang naman.
33 lamang.
Sino ba yung 30?
Number
Sa ulo ko, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko na nasundan.
Number 9 attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by number 96. Number 7. Number 7 bringing the ball.
Okay na.
Passing to number 25 for 3.
Gago kay JP ko nilagay.
Score 34-23. Favor of white team.
Sino-sino yung dad review?
Si Alex. Okay na yun. Bigay mo na lang kay Sir.
Pass number 11. Number 11.
Huwag na sila, no?
Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 11. Pull up, no good. Rebound by White ball.
Ano ba, manalo ba sila Eric, no?
6 minutes and 20 seconds. Favor of white team. 25 to 3.
Ay, 6 minutes, Cage!
Sub, sub! Let's go, sub! Time out or sub?
Time out, Black Team! Time out!
Get ready, second unit.
Hindi, ganun din sabi, no? 6 minutes.
Sabi mo, iramin natin yung board nila.
Get ready for second unit.
Baka tayo play.
Hindi tayo magkakaintindi.
Saan ako dyan? Parang saan ako dyan?
May board pa naman. Ay, hindi ko dala ata yung board.
Huwag na. Hindi ka lang. Pwesto ka dun. Sabi na ako magpwesto eh.
Hindi na laro sa Romero.
Oo, masaya ka lang.
Open! Parang open sa player!
Back to the ball game.
Pengi lang. Alam mo akin, tol.
Black ball.
Bakit na kami? Wala pumabalik.
Number 9,
Sila pa yung daan. Nalo sila isa. Tayo wala pa.
Chill ka lang!
Wala tayo. Wala tayong panalo eh.
Number 6, bring it ball. Rebound. Pass it to number 10. Open 3. Back. Score 43. Favor of white team.
$5 to!
Kanina ba? Sino kasama mo?
White team ako eh.
Kanina ka bumusta?
White team!
Hindi, sino po?
Ikaw!
Hindi naman ako nag-go.
Mag-uusap, di ba?
Nag-shake hands ka eh. Nag-shake hands kayo kanina nakita ko. Nakita ko. Nice one. Ay!
No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 9, bring it ball.
Basta yan.
Number 9. Pass it to number 23. No. Good. Rebound by number 6. Pass it to number 69. Pass it to number 7. Number 7. For 3. No good. Ooh. Rebound by number 6. Pass it to number 9. Ooh. Hindi mo ako muna label si Pare. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to the basket. Pass it to number 23. Foul.
Counted! In one?
Foul by number 6.
Second personal foul, first team foul.
First team foul. Second personal foul. First.
Kala ko pa stay ka, Kuya Ramon.
Shout out to birthday boy. Uhud ni Jordan.
Happy birthday to you!
Shout out to
Kung pa hindi na ni-invite, may inuman pala sa kanila. Bubugay na yan! Bench ko yan, mami.
Bench mo nga ka.
number 7. Bring it ball.
Aray, putang ina mo! Ang ina ni Joshua, sarap ko yun. Sa birthday tol, nag-condition ko kanina. Nandun dito.
37 to the line. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Second foul. Foul. Number 15.
Saan? Tingin ko. Meron ka ba? Tingin ko. Tingin ko. Sino foul? Si Richard? Kung si Richard.
Nakipagpa-take up!
2 shots.
Pero yung pinakamalaki nila, 0 points.
No good.
Ano mo, si Butterfly?
Lambot kasi.
Buttercup. Ngayon, walang pwesto. Walang time. Coach, dapat na yan!
Dapat na. Kung may inuman pala sa kanila, hindi wala man lang sa
Hindi na ako nagsabi ka sorry, hindi na ito chat mo, pre.
Number 7. Passes to number 15. Number 15.
Kasama sa kanya si Pepe.
Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Pass to the basket. Rebound by number 33. Rebound. Pass to number 5. Number 8. Pass to number 94.
Ayla.
Foul, number 6.
Tama, White. One maglalaro siya.
Third personal foul. 13.
Kulang lang kami isa.
Kasi uwi na si Alex. Second game. Tama sa total na diba?
Nagkatalo kami. Ang lakas niya kasi ulit. Lalo nasa ibabaw ka lagi.
Alex is good.
Si Anton daw, papay na mamaya.
Let's go, let's go!
Let's
go!
Oh, 40.
May inom ba sa kanila? Tangin na sana pala. Nagpaalam ako kanina pang maga. Umiinom sa kanila.
Magpaalam.
Wala pala. Tangin na sinabi ni ano.
Hoy! Nasa si Kuya Louie, may homemade siomay.
Meron yan.
Uy, tangin na mo, kami lang table dito eh. Sige, tangin na mo, ikaw mag-score ko. Huwag na pala. Bigyan kita isa.
Last late yun.
Last 8 to, last 8.
Last 8?
$8 na.
Oo naman, syempre. Sa'yo na! Sa'yo na! Highlights! Na pressure, na pressure. Okay lang yan.
Uy, mamaya, ano? Bakso tayo, wala tayo rin.
Gab, sumabay ka nga sa akin si Gab. Sasabay sa akin si Gab.
Second player ka ba, Ral? Sabay tayo.
May sabi kayo naman to eh.
Number 9.
Ayaw mo pang point guard kayo, boys.
Number 7.
Hindi nga gumana eh. Sinusubukan natin. Tama na eh. Iba-iba line up. Anong foul?
Rebound by number 15. Number 10. Rebound.
Wala daw.
Pass to number 69.
Pinipilit eh.
Rebound.
Pang-apat na yun ah.
Number 94. Floater. No good. Rebound by number 69.
O, pwede bis na kami.
End of the third
Bis
quarter.
na kami ngayon eh.
Oo, sige.
Score 48-41. Favor of 41.
Marunong ako dito. Ako dyan, ako dyan. Atlas ako.
Na, bali.
Uy, fourth quarter na yan. Lakihan nyo nga nung dot-dot.
Let's go, let's go!
Starting the fourth quarter.
Let's go, guys! Saan mo gusto, Josh?
Dito ko.
Dito ka. Sige. Magka-camera ako eh.
Number 9.
Gago ko yung init mo.
Hindi nga ako. Hindi ko alam kung mainit ako. Nilalamig ako. Tama kamay ko.
Wala.
Wala. Ay, taka lang. Yung alam mo, Joshua?
Number 23, no good.
Wow, wow. Gano'n kawawa naman to, dala ko.
Number 4. Third personal foul, first team foul.
Ano pa yung init, pre?
Shout out to Pialano. No word.
Wala sa akin eh. Ako na.
Sige ako na. Stretching kayo next game kayo. Mamaya para doon na pag third game. Eh, ikaw magtama. Thank you.
Ay, sa third game. Ako.
Oh, sige.
Ako kasi, business ko work.
Passes number 23. No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24.
Tol, pabantay nga ako nito dito ha.
Ano ba bantay?
Number 10. For 3.
Meron ka ba nito? Ay ako, gusto kong buo.
43 last 10 minutes of 4 hours. Rebound by number 24.
Anong court ba to?
Ano? Ano? Bis ka na go. Court na yan, court.
O ganito, ano to? A number?
76. Gen Z ah.
Mas malala pala yung iyos.
Eh, laki.
Ganon.
Hindi pwedeng pa ganun.
Hindi pa ganon.
Law-law eh.
Ganun, mabigat eh.
Ano yung kinikilo mo? Boss.
First round basket.
Yun yung mga triple D. Tapos sing laki ng bola ng bowling. Utangin na, pwede mo pangarap.
Papaya na.
Pinamila mo. Pinamila mo.
Number 1.
Gusto ako.
Huwag ka na Pag nanalo kami yan.
Number
Okay. Tama yung legs ko.
Kailan ba tayo? 5 lang?
5.
Ito.
Number 10, for 3, no good. Rebound by number 94.
Kaya yung gusto.
Side of the basket. Passing to number 35. 35 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 50.
Gusto nyo manalo? $20.
Sab.
Sige boss, sige
Sub,
boss.
sub. Dead boy.
35 for 3. Rebound.
Ayo, easy.
26.
Sab, sab, sab!
Sub, sub.
Pag substitution ba, running time pa din?
Oh,
Sabi din, sakit mo na.
Number 35.
nilalag na sata ako.
45-44.
Score 45-44. Favor of my
Gusto
team.
ako, puto.
Pass it number 23, number 23 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 25. White ball. Number 7. Bring in the ball.
Good light butter.
Smooth like criminal.
Good luck. Dito. Doon ka may condom dito. Grabe condom.
Number 1, bring in the ball. Pass it number 23, 35 for 3, no good. No passing.
Dito na. Stick yun.
Ang ganda nun. Ang galang na yun. Pass it to number 9, number 35. The forms, number 9. Pass it number 2. White ball. Score 49-44. Nakawa ang White team.
Coach! Coach! Ayun o.
Number 743, no good. Rebound by number 35. Number 9, back to the basket. Black ball. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 49-44, favor of White team.
Sabi mo nararamdaman.
Number 9, pass number 35. 35. Looking pass. Number 9. Bring the ball across the basket. Number 20.
Table na lang ako dun.
Rebound by number 25. Number 7, bring the ball. 4 minutes and 40 seconds of third quarter. Number 94. First personal foul, 14 foul. 14 foul. First personal foul.
Walang may dalang.
Kay Erwin nagdadala.
Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Hesi, 43. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9, bring the ball. Pass to number 11, bring it to number 9. Number 9, with the pass. Pass to number 13. Pass it to number 84. Number 94.
4-3. Z.
Steal for number 19.
Sub. Sub ah. Dead ball, sub. Dead ball.
Number 69. Number 69. Time, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 49-47. Favor of White team. Score 52-47. Favor of White team. Last 3 minutes of fourth quarter. Okay. Hold it. Slow down.
Papi,
Number 25.
shot clock.
Wala.
Meron, may shot.
Number 7.
Knockout.
Number 7.
Andyan. Pwesto ka.
Number 7.
Shot clock ah. May shot clock tayo. 2 minutes.
Kaya pa, hindi ko stop time. Hindi ko stop time.
Sa 2 minutes, shot clock.
5. Number 94, attacking the basket. Pass to number 33. Rick, pass it to 9. Number 9, number 3.
Saba ko.
Basta kayo pare.
Saba ko.
Ah, shot clock. May shot clock tayo.
15 seconds.
10 seconds.
9 seconds.
9 seconds shot clock.
Wala na, shooting foul.
Shooting foul.
Sab. Mamaya.
Pasok na kayo. Second shot. Sub. Mag-sub.
Hindi, mamaya daw.
Sa second. Oh, second shot.
Zero shot.
Sub na yung second shot ah.
Second foul.
You can go home.
You can go home. Substitution.
Stop!
Kigiri.
Pre, mag-shot na naman. Pakita mo rin kaya mo eh, parang start mo. Huwag mo.
Haskell. Number 1, bring the ball. 9 seconds shot clock.
Shot clock guys, shot clock!
15 seconds shot clock. For 3. Z for 3. Score 4-3. White team. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock.
5 seconds!
3, 2, 1. Okay, 8 seconds shot clock.
15.
12 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Foul for number 15.
Pakilang po na yan.
First team foul, second personal.
Second personal foul.
First team foul, second personal.
Nakatok ako, pre.
Second personal foul. First team foul.
Tignan ng kamay ko.
First foul.
Okay pa naman. Wow.
You ready?
Basket.
Puti ng itlog.
That side.
That's you.
Time out kayo?
No.
Time out, time out! Hindi, wala eh. Time out! Call time out!
Good. 10 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds shot clock. 5, 4.
Sino ba yung pwedeng tumawag ng timeout dito? Yung may bola o yung kahit sino? Yung may bola lang, di ba?
Black team. Time, 27 seconds.
Let's go, let's go! Huh?
Like, are they shooting free throws?
No, just they still have a long first team foul, so
Oh, okay.
yeah. Let's go, let's go! White ball, white ball!
Last 30 seconds.
20 second shot clock! 19!
15 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock. Number 3. 15 seconds shot clock. No more shot clock.
Wala pa.
Foul, 25.
Hindi, pang 5 pa naman.
Hey, how many more timeout white? Black.
Gosh, let's press na.
Dalawa.
Kapag panlima pa yun.
I think 2, yeah.
Panlima pa lang.
Time out, time out!
Panlima pa lang yung kanina. Wala pa yun, di ba?
7 seconds.
Nakaway mo, kinabahan din ako.
7.6 seconds. So 4 quarter. 57-56. Favor of white team.
Ina mo, kinabahan ako sa'yo. Kapag-galitan ako ng mga yan. Pre, yung shot. Pre-free throw yan.
Nakikita yun sa video.
7.6 seconds. So 4 quarter. No more shot clock.
7 seconds, ha?
7.6 seconds.
Foul number 10, white.
number 10, holding.
Foul yung 10.
Penalty na. Pangalan na yan. Penalty na. Oh.
Penalty na.
Score 57-56.
Lalagay ako.
Pero hindi. Kanina pa ito. Pwede hindi mo po. Penalty mo po.
Timeout, White. Wala nang timeout ng White, ha?
Advance tayo dito. Advance.
Upward, di ba?
Advance.
Upward.
Wala. Advance.
Hindi ko pa alam eh. Kayo po, anong tawag?
Alam ko, advance.
Pwede, Kuya Carlo.
Advance para alam ko. Pwede naman.
Hindi ko alam eh. Okay.
Ay, sabi mo penalty. May advance sila, di ba?
Penalty, block, penalty.
Penalty na
No,
rin, block.
foul, penalty. If you foul, they will shoot.
No shoot.
Yeah, because you're out penalty.
Hey, do we have any timeout?
One more.
We have one more.
White, no more timeout. White.
Hey, D, we still have one more timeout on the rebound.
Eric!
No
Penalty
timeout.
Penalty. Hey! Penalty sila.
No foul, ha?
Pasabit sila pwede.
May advance sila nga.
Wala doon sa mga.
Bakit? Yun ang nasa rules natin.
Hindi ko alam. Ano na sila. Si coach nagsabi.
Number 7.
5, 4, 3, 2,
I got 2-3. 2-3.
No, walang charge. Wala eh, foul yun eh. Oh, see, wala. Hey, there's no challenge in the foul. Hey, Joshua.
So we got technical back, right? 1. 2 points. 2 points on white. 2 points on white. 59. All right. That's
Free throw.
Possession.
free throw, right? All right. Line up.
Hey, talk to your man. I'm telling you. Bawal yung ginawa niya. Hindi talaga yun. Nagugod sila eh.
Ako, babatohan ko yan. Akong bahala.
Okay, ako bala. Oh, no!
Technical on black team.
Oh, technical on blocking!
Corey.
Two more shots.
Yeah, you guys have one. Time out!
Yaman na. Arbor ko na.
See you.
Sige rin natin.